Let's listen to what Raila Odinga said in regards to what CS Murkomen has said.
Well, giving instruction to a police officer that, oh, Kamamutna Karibia police station, piga risasi. My shame. Shame on you. Shame on you. Police have no license to kill human beings. If somebody has committed a crime, arrest that person and take it before a court of law.
President Havi, what do you make of these sentiments? Are Kenyans overreacting?
If you were to listen to the 3 police officers who have answered Kipchumba Murkomen, then you'll get your answer. They have said, we will not obey your unlawful and unconstitutional command to shoot, to kill innocent Kenyans. So that on the basis of that, it is easy to discern the flaw in the directive by Kipchumba Murkomen. There is nobody who doubts the legality of the use of firearms by police officers. But the context in which this pronouncement by Murkomen are being justified is what has to be interrogated. First and foremost, the High Court has determined in Katiba Institute versus the Attorney General 397 of 2017 that the right to life, the right to a fair hearing is superior to the right of a police officer to use a firearm for the protection of life, for the defense of his life, and for the defense of the life of another person. Well, that takes us back to the use of reasonable force. And every policeman and policewoman understands the moment you misuse your firearm, you are on your own. You will be charged with murder or manslaughter, and it will be upon yourself to demonstrate that you used reasonable force in the circumstances. And often, you'll be found guilty. Because if you're shooting at Boniface Kariuki, who only has a mask, how can you justify the use of brute force on him? You understand? Look at all the cases that were reported last week. I never saw a single incidence of a policeman confronting anybody looting a shop. But I saw so many incidences of policemen shooting innocent protesters. What is the name of this gentleman? Calligraph Jones. What was the underlying reason why they had to whip him? He was just walking innocently, and you could see. These policemen were intent on provoking him so that a scuffle would ensue and shoot him. But with that said and done, police officers must realize that an unlawful command from anybody, the president, the cabinet secretary, the PS, the police spokesman, cannot be obeyed.